Is your Mahindra XUV500's infotainment system giving you a black screen or no audio? You're not alone. These common problems often stem from software glitches, hardware issues like capacitor failures, or simple electrical faults. First, try a soft reset. Hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. If that doesn't work, check the fuses related to the audio system. A blown fuse is a quick and easy fix. For a black screen, ensure all connections to the display are secure. These steps can resolve the issue quickly in many cases. If problems persist, move on to more in-depth troubleshooting. If basic fixes don't work, consider a hard reset by disconnecting the car battery for 5 to 10 minutes. Remember to back up any important data first to avoid losing navigation settings or music playlists. Faulty capacitors within the infotainment unit are a common culprit for black screens. Look for bulging tops on capacitors, which indicate failure. A mechanic's capacitor swap video can guide you, but professional help is recommended if you're not experienced. For persistent audio issues, speaker recalibration might be necessary to restore proper sound output and balance. Mahindra's newer models, like the Scorpio N, have addressed similar issues with over-the-air updates, a feature the XUV500 lacks, so hardware-focused fixes are often necessary for the older model. If all else fails, consult a Mahindra service center. They can diagnose complex issues and provide hardware upgrades if needed.